Hey YouTube, we're gonna do PDA by Interpol. This is a companion to a video I did, which is a performance. I'll put a link to that in the description. That was so you could see how this arrangement is meant for one guitar. B minor. That's how it starts. Yours is the only version. Stays on that 2 measures, and then after the third, when the third measure begins, we go G. 1 measure, D. 1 measure, G, D. Back to B minor. This is what I would consider the verse. You are a past dinner, the last B minor winner. G, D, G, D, back to B minor. It always ends on B minor, and it begins on B minor. And then there's like a little pre-chorus. It begins on B minor. Well, you're so cute. Right. This chord here is a D major 7. Play it like this. Okay, so B minor. You're so cute when you're frustrated. Dear G. So just the same chords as the beginning, but just a different order. In this, what I'm calling a pre-chorus, we go to the D first. And we play a D major 7, which is just a variation of the D chord. D major 7, G. Oh, well, you're so cute when you're sedated. Dear, I'm resting. Back to the G, and then we go E minor for the chorus. Sleep tight, grim right, and then we just play A for the, we have 2 on our couches, E minor to A. Sleep tight, grim right, we have 2 homes, 3 couches, you can. When you come to the end of the chorus, you go to a B major. That's what. Tonight. That's why it sounds so cool, is because we've been playing B minor the whole time. Now we go to B major. Sleep tonight. You can even hear in the vocals, he changes key. Sleep tonight. And you come to the stop on the B major. And then what I played for the little section is when he restarts, they go. So that's just a G power chord, F sharp power chord. And then we go back to the B at the 2nd fret. F sharp's at the 2nd fret, and so is B minor. You are the only person who's completely certain. Go to G, pre-chorus. And there's a lot more words, there's a lot more lyrics over this one. Because the first time we were just saying, you're so cute when you're frustrated. Now he's singing, you will not consider D major 7. While I will be away, you will not consider, sadly. This is where we go G to D minor 7, D major 7. How you help me straight. So we go to, after the D major 7, we go to B minor and restart. And that's where he sings, you will not reach me. 2 measures on the B minor. I'm resenting. That's where you go to the D major 7, a possession. So I think for that second pre-chorus, because there's so many lyrics and everything here, I did "You'll not reach me. I'm resenting a position that's past resentment. And now I will consider there is this distance." Instead of going to the D major 7, I just stayed on the G because then we're going to go to the chorus. So, second time around, and then at the end, we go from E minor to B. Sleep tonight. And this is where they do that long interlude of like guitar sounds, basically playing over the B. So you can do whatever you want there. But we're on the B major. And then at the end, when they finally get done with that little guitar interlude, it goes nothing to say. E, G sharp minor, B, nothing to say. So it kind of changes key here almost. Bye bye.